Okay, now we're gonna work on our shredded chicken tacos.
That's right. You want to come over here and I'll help me out, and we'll get started with. Let's do 2 tablespoons of oil.
Okay.
Vegetable oil.
This.
That's right. That's kind of heavy, isn't it? Why don't you hold it over and I'll help you out. Let's do 1. There you go. Do 1 more. Now hold it up straight when we do it, Titus, okay, brother?
Okay.
Alright, we'll put that down for now. Let's get this heated up. While we're getting that heated up, coat the pan. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do, let's just give it another second or 2 to get the oil real hot. Alright, Titus, next thing I want you to do is, we got 4 tablespoons of garlic minced. Yeah, you can put it in with your hand if you want to. Why don't you bring the cutting board over closer? There you go. There you go. Just sweep it off in there. Good job, brother. Let's wait till we get that sizzling. The next thing we're going to put in there is the half teaspoon of chili powder.
Okay, so chili powder,
There's
half a teaspoon.
Yep, go ahead and open it up.
Okay.
Toss it in there.
Okay, you got that chili powder in?
Alright, now do me up a little 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Okay, tiny bit of salt.
That's right. Why don't you do it over the cutting board? There you go. That's good right there. I know. We need to get a smaller thing for our salt so it won't be so messy. Yeah, throw that in there. Alright. We're going to cook this up a little bit. While I'm cooking this up, why don't you open the orange juice?
Okay, we got...
Give me a half a cup of the orange juice, please. Ooh, baby.
So all of this?
Half cup worth. That's right.
So the whole thing, huh?
Man, that garlic's strong. This is going to be good. You can lay the cup down on the cutting board to help you out because I know the orange juice is heavy. There you go, brother. You got it. Go ahead.
No more.
Pour it on in there. Good job, good job.
Yeah, this orange juice.
Alright, now we're going to do a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce.
Okay, this right here.
That's right. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce.
Oh,
It's just the oil. Don't worry about it.
yeah.
You can leave it in there.
Okay, all of this.
A tablespoon worth. There you go. You get it.
How's this?
That's good. Pour it in there. Alright, now we got the basis for our sauce.
Oh yeah, it's looking good.
That's right. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. Alright. Will you let me have the chicken over there, Titus?
Okay.
If you'll just hold that for me.
Look at this chicken.
Come on around the corner. So, yeah, there you go. So here we go. I'm going to lay it down in there like this. Whoops, I knocked a little juice out. Here you go.
Yep.
Go ahead and try to see if we can get all 4 pieces in there. We may have to swish it a little bit. There you go.
Okay.
Just move that around like this.
I know we can get it first.
Oh yeah, we're going to get all 4 in there. I'll show you. We're going to smush it up.
Oh, I see. You
Oh
got
yeah,
room
there
in
you
the
go.
middle.
We got some room in the middle. There you go. You want to see if you can get that in there?
Okay. So
All right.
this is just chicken, nothing else on it right now?
That's right. You want to come around here and you watch it. Let it bubble a little bit. We're going to get that going. While you're doing that, I'm going to look for a lid.
Okay.
We're going to get a lid over it and cook it for a while. Alright, here we go. keep it at that temperature right there and let it simmer.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Got the wrong size lid. I tell you what. I don't know if that one came with a lid. We'll just use a bigger lid. We can watch it. Alright, it's been about 4 or 5 minutes. We're going to let Titus take the lid off and flip the chicken over. Be careful of that steam. Hold it up so you can let that steam out. There you go. Let the water drip off. Now pull up and do it like this. There you go. Some more water's going to run off. There you go. Now you let all the steam out. You don't have to worry about getting burned by it. Go ahead and set the lid down. Just right there beside it. That's fine. Good job. You get your tongs and flip them over slowly so you don't let that juice pop back on you. Yeah, hold the handle. There you go. That one probably easier now that you did the first one. Yep, look at that.
Oh yeah, it's looking good.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright, get your lid back on there. We're going to cook it another 5 to 6 minutes. And we're going to temp it after that. Alright, we'll be back in 5 or 6 minutes. Alright, Titus, you ready to check it out, see where we're at?
Mm-hmm. It's been 45 minutes again.
Oh yeah. Looks good. I'll just put the lid to the side there. Get our trusty thermometer out.
Yep.
And we'll want to poke it halfway through one of these so we can see what the temperature is. Oh, it's looking done.
Yep.
Got over 165, so we know the chicken's done. That's actually reading pretty good, isn't it, Titus? What's that say?
170.
That's right. So we know we have it done. We don't have to worry about poisoning anybody.
Yep.
So let me get your pan ready. Come on over here, Titus. There you go. So our next step is to get the chicken out. We're going to let it cool down, let it rest. And in the meantime, we're going to leave the lid off of the sauce that's left in there and let it cook down and reduce until it's thicker. Good job, Titus.
Okay.
All right. We're going to take another 5 or 6 minutes to let the chicken cool down and let the sauce reduce. We're back. I got a little bit of the chicken here. And I'm just go ahead and shredding it on out. I did some of it while we were off camera. Titus is whisking the sauce. It's getting pretty, it's thickening up pretty nice. Just checking the camera to make sure you can see him whisking and me shredding. So you can see the technique.
Hey, I'm cutting.
Hey, yeah. My wife's over there on the other side cutting. Getting our tomato and lettuce and everything ready.
Yep, for shredded chicken tacos.
That's right. I'm almost done with this, Titus, and then we'll add it back into your sauce. Alright. That's looking good. Don't do this at home. My fingers have been burnt to numbness many a times already, so it's not that bad for me. Just checking for real big pieces so I can break them down. Titus, don't do this till your fingers get seasoned real well. Alright, Titus, you want to use one of those wooden spoons over there? Or no, just use that flat wooden spatula right there. And I'm going to add the chicken into the skillet or the pan. Call it a skillet sometimes. We want to get all this mixed in with all that great sauce that you made for the chicken. Go ahead, bud. You can go ahead and get it mixed up good. That's pretty much all of it right there. Get that mixed in real well. Yeah, it is.
Oops.
Okay.
Mm. I want some
use like a different technique, like this.
Yeah.
Turn the chicken into sauce. You want to do it like that? That's another way. If that works out better for you, then do that. Well, we're going to get all our extras together so we can get ready to have our tacos, and we'll show you the whole spread and putting one together. And we're going to use our salsa that we made in another video, and we're also going to use our guacamole we made in another video. Hey, once again, we almost messed up and left the cilantro out. So it takes about 2 tablespoons instead of buying fresh that goes bad because you get a big old bunch and you can't use it all up. We usually sometimes just get the 2. Alright, there you go, Titus. You just mix that in and we'll be ready.
Hi. So now we are gonna start my taco. First thing I like to do would be meat.
Get some of that shredded chicken you made, huh?
Yep. Get that in. A bit more. All right. Now we are going to go with some cheese. Since the chicken's still hot, it should melt a bit. Some salsa from our other video.
That's right. That's that salsa we made in our video last week.
Yep. Okay. Now a tiny bit of guacamole, which we did in the last video.
That's right.
Okay. Now, lettuce. Tomato. I like sliced, diced tomato.
Show us how you do it, Titus. Give us a big old
Okay.
smile and a big old bite.
But first, one more.
Oh, that's right. I forgot the sour cream, huh, buddy?
Mm-hmm. Way over here. Dot.
Let me get a close-up. Oh, yeah. That is looking good, man.
Okay.
Hold your face over that plate because you know the juice is going to drip out one side. Watch your juice. You're getting all over the counter. That's a good taco right there, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
You did a good job, Titus. All right. Thank y'all for watching, and we'll see you again next time when we have Titus cook something else.
So when we make chipotle chicken like this, or even like ground turkey with taco seasoning, or anytime we make meat like this, what we always do for Ezra, since he doesn't like tacos, is we make him a quesadilla. So we use the panini press, and it gets nice and crispy, and then everybody's happy.
Ezra, your quesadilla's ready.